Alright, now that we got some heat in her, we'll give her the beans a little bit and see how she runs. Alright guys, here we go. Trying out the new giant squid mic. Hopefully it works. So that'd be nice. The giant squid definitely feels to be a lot higher quality than the other Sony mic I was using. Plus there were some guys reporting that when switching over to the 5 series, the Sony mic would have a lot of popping and stuff, and I don't think it's because of wind necessarily. I think it's just because of the sensitivity of the mic. It would clip at a certain volume. So when you get out on the highway, there's obviously a lot more noise in general, and I think it would just start to clip after a certain point, that's all. Don't know how well the outside audio is going to come through on this, but I guess we'll find out. Getting a lot of wind right here, so that'll be a good test for it, I guess. Bit of work going on here. What a beautiful day out. Alright, now that we got some heat in her, we'll give her the beans a little bit and see how she runs. Those keen-eyed viewers of you will notice that my oil light comes on whenever I punch it like that. That's a known thing with the Vmax because the oil sensor is actually in the front of the pan. So whenever you hit under any sort of hard acceleration, all that oil obviously flows towards the rear and it gives you a low warning light. Very common thing. In fact, there's a saying about it going like something about if you're not hitting the oil light, then you're not actually riding it, or something like that. But a lot of wind noise right here. This would be a good test to see how the microphone does. Really beautiful day out here. Nice September day here in Pennsylvania. Really, really awesome.